Delhi University is going to start its admission process from today onwards. What will be the details about the whole process? To share that with us, we have Chairman Admission Committee, Delhi University, Professor Rajiv Gupta. Professor Gupta, CBSE results are out now, and even most of the state boards have also come up with their results. How you are looking impact of those results on your admission process?
Okay, so University of Delhi admission process is applicants are from the Pan India, from the all possible states. Applicants apply. On an average, for every seat, there are 4 to 5 applicants. I would rather say that competition has always been difficult, tough, and this year is not going to be any exception. But saying that this year admissions are going to be very, very different from the earlier years, I won't say that. I think the admission process would remain the same. The competition would remain the same. As I said, for every seat there are going to be 4 to 5 applicants. From the university side, we have ensured that the whole admission process is very smooth and seamless, and for that the entire procedure, admission starting from the registration all the way to taking admission, is going to be completely online. And many improvements have been made on the portal, so that applicants are able to retrieve, find out all the details from from sitting at the comfort of their residences, homes. So the process has been made very user friendly. We have also involved artificial intelligence based chatbot, which can provide answers to the routine queries. At the same time, we have our team members who will be providing answers as and when any query comes from the prospective applicants.
So today you are going to start the registration process, and till 31st August, any student can apply for admissions. But till now, we haven't declared the date for the cutoff list. What are the schedules for the further admission processes, like taking of admission, cutoff list, and other academic year starting, when the academic year will start?
Okay, so to answer your first question, 31st August is the last date for the registration process. After that, we analyze the students' data, applicants' data, and then we also share with our respective colleges. And then colleges announce the cutoff list. So this process, from the last date of registration to the announcement of the first cutoff list, takes near about 7 to 8 days. So we are hopeful that we'll announce our first cutoff list from most likely 8th of September. The initial plan is to declare 5 cutoff lists. After the admissions under 5 cutoff lists are over, we are going to analyze the data and find out that what is the percentage of deficiency. Based on that, a special cutoff list for the reserve category students, and the routine cutoff list for the remaining seats will also be declared. To answer your second question, hopefully that UGC has come out with a common academic calendar, and they have given 2 dates, 1st of October and 18th of October. We are hopeful that we'll be able to start our semester by one of these dates.
Another question related to the admission process only. For several courses, university used to conduct some entrance tests. Will those entrance tests stand as of the date for those courses, or even you have made some additional courses for the entrance test as well? You have included some additional courses for that as well.
So for all postgraduate courses, we have the entrance examination, and for selected undergraduate courses, there are basically 9 courses for which entrance examination takes place. This year, there are additions in the undergraduate courses, and those additions are from the physiotherapy courses. We have some physiotherapy institutions, and those institutions have requested us to include them in our duet examination, which is going to be conducted by National Testing Agency. Only one additional change which has happened. We have enhanced number of centers by including 2 more cities in our test centers, and these cities are based on the representations received in earlier years. And the first one is Shillong in Meghalaya, the second one is Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh.
So obviously, keeping the pass percentage in mind, there are chances that the cutoff marks will go will go up this time. But other than that, the university is going to take its own time, and they will declare the first cutoff list by 8th September in all probability. With camera person Premchand Mishra, it's Kumar Kunal for India Today from Delhi.